Mama Cat, a hard-working tabby named Clementine, fries chicken at Clucky's chicken coop to earn money for a bright red bicycle for her kitten, Ginger. Ginger dreams of joining the Speedy Paws Bicycle Club, but their old, rusty bike won't cut it. Clementine faces challenges at work, a demanding boss, runaway chickens, and accidentally using too much hot sauce. She starts a secret ingredient challenge at Clucky Hess, where customers vote for the best wing sauce, which increases tips. Clementine almost has enough money when sneaky rat bandits, the Whiskerton Gang, steal her tip jar. Ginger sees them escaping and Clementine and Ginger chase after them in a hilarious pursuit involving scooters made from trash can lids. Clementine uses frying pans as shields and Ginger distracts them with yarn balls. They recover the money, Clementine buys the bicycle, and Ginger joins the Speedy Paws, finally able to keep up with the other kittens with the help of Mama Clementine.